and welcome back to the Mind Social Network channel. Hope you guys are enjoying yourself. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for more great videos on Minds. So in this video, we're going to look at how to make a post on Minds. Now, it's pretty awesome to get out your own ideas, so it's pretty cool. Let's get it out to your community. Let's show you how right now. All right, so basically you've signed up and you've got your own page, and basically you can either go to compose on the left, or you can just go down to your channel under your feed and speak your mind. You just have to click that. So see, speak your mind at the top here, that's your top post. To speak your mind, and then you can write in what you want to do. So you can go, hello world, and you can put in, I feel really good today. And so you can say something like that, and then you can say thanks, and you can type, say, Superman. That's your moniker, and away you go. So you can also create a blog through there and change your visibility. So you can say public, logged in, unlisted. You also the license that you have, so you can set the license, Creative Commons or something like that. You've also got your permaweb as well, so you can post to the permaweb if you're so inclined. So it's pretty cool. Also, you've obviously got the compose button there, so you can go upload. You can also upload an image if you so choose. You can do that. You can also say if it's NSFF, and also you can monetize if you're actually joined up to the membership on Minds. So check out another video on this channel on that. You can actually monetize, and of course you say submit this post to Minds Plus members only. So you're only sharing it to that small select community, but small but growing, and earn a share of the revenue based on how it performs. So obviously there's a revenue model in there. So check out how to do that on another video. And of course you just agree to the terms and save, and then that will just go to that audience. Otherwise you can keep it public and just leave it unmonetized, and you can earn by people viewing your post. That's another way of earning. Obviously you can put your tags in. You can type in your tags, so you could do funny, politics, you could freedom, gaming, something like that, and then just save your tags, and they will save on the post. And then obviously you've got the post here. You can actually schedule it in the future, or you can just post straight away by clicking post. So we can post that, and that's going to show up on this main feed. You can see it's got hello world, I feel really good today, thanks Superman. You can obviously like that. You can also share that. You can remind people, so it spreads around through your own network. You can also quote a post, and obviously you can write a comment on it as well, your own comment, if you want to add something extra to it. You can also boost it if you want to get it boosted out to the audience on Minds. That's everybody. You can actually boost it, and you can pay for about a bit of that, so you can get 2,000 views, which is really powerful, right? Trying to build a channel really quick on Minds to get a big community up there. You can actually boost it, and so that it will get presented to people. I really like this feature. It's superior to a lot of social platforms where you can actually just use some Mind points to do that. So you can earn tokens, of course, just by using the platform, or you can buy tokens. So that's the way you can do it. Check out a video on that. So payment method, you can use different payment methods. You can see I've got off-chain. That's typically what you use. That's how you earn just by using the platform. I got 18.745 tokens there, so I can easily afford to do 2,500. Of course, I can actually do 10,000 if it allowed me to, but it seems that 5,000 is the limit. So I can do 5,000. It will cost me 5 tokens out of my 18, so pretty nice. And I become a liquidity provider as well. But of course, news feeds, your content will appear in the news feeds across the site. That's how powerful it is. You can just click boost the post, and that will boost. So you can do that, but you can check out another video on boosting. I will show you how to do it in another post there. But that's basically how easy it is. Hope you enjoyed it there. I might actually leave that up. I feel really good today. Thanks, Superman. And you could leave it like that, but I actually might delete that post. It's a little bit abstract, but hopefully you get the idea of how easy it is, and that's how you delete a post. So pretty awesome stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe, like, and share, hit the bell for further notifications, and catch me in the next one. Cheers.